Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad here. Today on the channel, we have got Blue Apron. Now, we have done this in the past. We've actually done a kind of loop around and done a lot of the meal service boxes, but it's been a while since we utilized one, and I don't know what, I got a bug up my butt a week ago. I think I went to the grocery store and eggs were 50 bucks, and I was like, man, we gotta find a solution to have food in the house. Also, new year, new me, trying to watch portion sizes. This is helpful with Blue Apron. So I said, let's get back on that Blue Apron train. And Jesta was like, that sounds like a great idea. You're the smartest person ever. I'm so glad I married you. So we resubscribed to Blue Apron. We actually got a pretty good deal for renewing our subscription that we haven't had in a while. I think like we get like $20 to $15 off like the first 4 boxes of our order. And I thought, you know, this is our first box in the new series. Might as well document how it turns out. Don't know if I'll do this regularly, like every single box we get, like maybe just if there's like an interesting meal and one that feels worthy of videoing, I'll do that. But since this is the first one, I figured let's jump in, let's video it, let's see what we got. So boxes here. Let's see what is on the menu. I already know because you actually, you know, pick your own menu. It would be kind of cool if they did like a surprise thing where you don't know what box what you're gonna get in your box sometimes. Although that would be bad, like if you get like food you don't like if they sent something that was like super heavy in cucumbers, I would kind of hate that. All right, we got 3 meals this week, I think. We have some ball glazed salmon and cilantro rice. Seared chicken Dijon pan sauce. Sent that menu twice. I don't know if we got 2 helpings of that or what, but we got that menu twice. And sheet pan cheesy Italian chicken. We got 3 meals this week. Lots of good ingredients here. One thing that's nice about Blue Apron or just any of the meal service kits is it's, you know, you get exactly what you need ingredients wise, so you don't have as much waste. Like, I always hate when I go to the grocery and I need like something that I have to buy like a whole bottle or whole container. I would only need like 2 tablespoons. So Blue Apron is useful in that you don't have to waste money and waste product on stuff. Also, you learn a lot from Blue Apron because like I cook all the time and I've picked up so many little tricks that come with these little recipes you get with Blue Apron. Like in the taco video recently, I mentioned salting the tortillas. That's one we got from Blue Apron. The big one we got from Blue Apron is just salt everything, all the time, always. Let's put this away. All right, so I was doing some stuff for work, so Jessa decided she'd cook the first meal from the box. She selected the sheet pan cheesy Italian chicken. Here's a better look at all the ingredients. Cook along on the app. What does that mean? It's got all blurry. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right, and then here is the recipe. Pretty simple looking. It's only 4 steps. Jesta, how was it?
How was what?
How was the cooking process?
Oh, it's one of the sheet pan ones, so it's really easy to clean up and it all just kind of cooks together.
Nice. Let's peek in the oven, see how it's doing. Looks pretty good. 8 minutes to go. It smells really good.
This one's yours over here, that one's mine.
This one's mine?
No, that one's mine. It's got less stuff on it.
I'll eat this one then.
That one's got less stuff. The other one's got more for you.
So I get this one.
Yeah.
This looks good. Zesty, cheesy, sheet pan Italian chicken. First of our resumption of the Blue Apron quest. Bone apple teas.
Freddy Spaghetti couldn't make it today. He bumped his noodle. There was sauce everywhere. It was just streaming out of your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Chicken's pretty good. Let's try the veggies here. A little taters, a little red peppers, a little bit of onion.
All I know is this guy showed up, made me much better off. I'm all about the money. See,
Good flavors. I would like everything to be a little bit more crispy.
Thank you very much.
I think I overstacked the pan. I could have used like a bigger pan. I think I overfilled it a little bit. So it wasn't spread out as much.
Well done, Tommy.
That would be my one critique of this dish. I think it could stand to be a little bit more crispy. 1 down, 2 to go this week. Why are all the animals getting involved in this?
They love you.
Let me enjoy my meal.
I think the vegetables are the star of this. I think they have the most flavor.
Yeah, vegetables are definitely the best part. For sure. Let's see. We need a scale for these.
Having a bad day, and then you break all the bones in your arm because you crashed your motorcycle.
What do you think a scale should be? Blue stars? Aprons? Are there aprons?
My life is the motorcycle.
Is there I use the emojis, like when I do the loaves of bread rating or like the cookie rating.
Well, do they have chef hats or like a chef face?
Chef hat. We'll say this gets
And how many?
the limit does not exist.
That's
I give it 2.5 chef hats.
out of 5.
The limit does not exist.
I'm so sorry. I should not.
You can't make an adequate
I'm sorry.
scale without having a limit.
Well, you can. Just ask Dave Meltzer. All right, we're on to our second meal kit, and I'm on duty this time to cook the sambal glazed salmon and cilantro rice. One thing I would recommend if you ever do Blue Apron or any of these is read through all the instructions first, because sometimes the order they ask you to do things isn't necessarily always the best. Sometimes there's things you should be doing at the same time, but they list it as steps. Like this one, it has me cook the rice all the way in entirety first, and then prep the vegetables, then make the glaze, then basically cook everything else. And it feels like to me the rice, if I cook it that much earlier, even if I cover it to keep warm, it'll not keep as warm as it should be. So I'm gonna do the prep stuff first, and I'm gonna try to simultaneously have the rice, the green beans, and the salmon all kind of going together. That's my plan anyway. Alright, here it is, the finished product. Came out looking pretty good. Let's hope it tastes good. Alrighty, let's see how box meal kit number 2 turned out. Get a little salmon and a little bit of rice, bone apple teas.
I would like a glass of white wine. I would like it to be Chardonnay, and I would like that with 1 ice cube.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Tea sample?
No.
No, Ben, why?
I don't normally like cilantro, but the cilantro and the cilantro rice on this dish is not too overpowering. I think it works. I like this meal better than our first meal.
You know what I like?
This is really good. What do you think?
Sorry, we'll check in with you later.
The portions are huge.
I think it's the rice. Anytime you get something with rice in it, you always end up with just a ton.
You get a lot of rice.
Anything with rice is always rice is the one thing they kind of go crazy on. It's good though. Wow, the salmon's really good. That was one of the best meals we've ever had from Blue Apron. I've been trying to listen to my tummy more and not eat past the point when I start to feel full, but that was so good, first time in a while, where I've just been blow right through it, keep eating. I gotta clean my plate and eat every bite of this. Worth it. I was a little worried because like cilantro, like I said, not really my thing, but the cilantro rice, it was not overpowering. It was well flavored. It was nice. One meal to go in this box. All right, we got our third and final meal of the box here. The seared chicken and Dijon pan sauce. I've already kind of got things working over here a little bit. Got the mashed potatoes and the green beans working. Last night was gonna be hard to top. That salmon cilantro rice was pretty banging. This is gonna be a tough one. This is gonna be a tough one for this. It's gonna be tough for this one to top that one. I knew what I was trying to say the whole time. All right, here it is, the seared chicken and Dijon pan sauce. Dinner time. All right, meal numero 3. Let's go veggies first. Potatoes. Good. I would put them up high. You know, they're not anything like knock you out of the park mashed potatoes. Uh-oh. Good green beans. Like those. Now we got the chicken with the Dijon pan sauce, the main event.
It's a launch party for Dennis Feinstein's new fragrance, Allergic.
This is not at all for you.
Is a real up-and-comer in the world of
Let me know in the comments down below. Should I just start doing Moo food reviews on Blue Apron? I'll just let her eat my food, and then that'll help me. That would help me lose weight if I cook all this and just let Moo eat it instead of me. We'll see. You decide. Bon appetit. It's good. I like it. Especially for like something that's just pretty simple. Potatoes, green beans, and chicken. Solid dish. Yesterday, obviously a lot more extravagance and fanciness to it. That one's clearly the winner of this box. I don't even remember if I gave it the chef hats or whatever we said we were going to do with that one. 7 chef hats to yesterday's. Today's 3.5 chef hats. 7 yesterday. 3.5 today. The salmon cilantro rice was the winner of the box. Jesta, your thoughts?
Definitely the salmon cilantro rice is the winner. This one's really good. It's a little spicy. I don't know if it's garlic spicy or...
No, it's probably, there's no garlic on the chicken. It's probably the southern spice, which is, you rarely see. Every once in a while they throw a spice mix in with the things. Jessica mentioned one, I think they have it called Weeknight Hero, I believe it is, which is kind of like a standard kind of blend. It's pretty good. We've just bought like whole bottles of that before, just to have on our own. This is their southern spice blend, so it does have a little more kick to it, but it's a good meal. I'm happy we're back on Blue Apron because these always deliver. Let me know if you want to see more Blue Apron cooks in the future in the comments down below. Let me know if I'm going to just start feeding Moo instead of eating it myself. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel with the bell, turn on for notifications. Good night. Happy eating. That's the new catchphrase. Probably not.
I don't know. I guess.